everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Dhaba food is something that we all enjoy, and being at home, I think sometimes we like to explore the dhaba food. So today I'm going to share this wonderful kadai chicken recipe, dhaba style. So let's get started and check out the recipe. So for the kadai chicken, first I'm going to dry roast a few ingredients for the masala. For this, we're going to start off with 1.5 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon whole peppercorns, a small piece of cinnamon and 3 cloves. So after about a minute, add 6 red chilies. Roast the ingredients on medium flame, so you don't want to keep it on high because they can easily get burnt. So after about 4 minutes, turn off the stove. Transfer the ingredients to another plate and cool it completely. So the ingredients for the masala is cooled down completely. Transfer to a mixer jar and grind it to a nice fine powder. So you can see the masala powder is ground beautifully. The aromas are fresh and fragrant. Take a nice white kadai. To this I am adding about 1.5 tablespoons of ghee and add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the kadai is heated up, just add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Next add 3 large onions, finely chopped. Saute the onions till they are a nice golden brown color. So you can see the onions have come to a nice golden brown color. To this add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. To this I am going to add 2 tomatoes chopped and 2 green chilies slit. To this add quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons Kashmiri red chili powder, add the puree of 3 tomatoes and cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the chicken pieces. For this recipe, I have taken about 1 kilo of chicken with bone. Add the chicken pieces and mix everything together. Cook for 5 minutes. So after about 5 minutes, I am going to add the freshly ground masala powder. Now I am not adding all of it. I am just going to add about 3 teaspoons initially. After 5 minutes, add about 1 cup of water. At this point, you can check for seasoning and add salt. So I am adding about 1 teaspoon of salt. Close and cook for about 20 minutes. So after 5 minutes, I am going to add 1 capsicum that's been cut into wedges and 1 small onion that's been cut into wedges. Close and cook for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add the remaining ground masala powder. So mix everything nicely. You can see the kadai chicken is coming together beautifully. The aromas are absolutely fantastic. So finally add some crushed kasuri methi. Add a few ginger juliennes. And finish off this incredibly delicious dhaba style kadai chicken. So there you go. Here is this absolutely delicious dhaba style kadai chicken that you can enjoy with some nice roti, naan, fulkas by the side. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends.